Hi everyone, welcome to GFX Farhan. You may know or not know Fab will be launching this month coming soon. And you know that Megascan was free till now, but it will not be free after that. But the good news is that the product you have purchased now will be accessible in the future. And now I am going to tell you guys a method by which you can purchase all the products in just one click for free. So let's get started. First of all, sign in with Epic Games. Click on the sign in with Epic Games. After sign in, go to products, browse Megascan. Here are some information about Fab plus Quixel. You can read them. Here are 18,871 assets total. I got it all of them in just one click. Here is a link which is available in the description. This is a GitHub, and here is also a way how to use. You can also following this method. So first of all, click on collection and copy this and uncheck this, and then paste it here. Then let's go down from this to this. Here you see a run.js script. Click on raw. Now here you can easily by just press Ctrl A and Ctrl C. By copying Ctrl A, select all, and Ctrl C, copy it. Come here and here at this page press F12. Okay, press F12 and on the console here just paste it. Okay, here first time you will pop up a message that you cannot paste anything here. Just simply here is also they also tell the method that just type allow pasting and hit enter. After that you can paste anything here. So paste it and press enter and wait a little bit. Click OK to add 6 items in your account. As you know that I added all the items in my purchased tab, so it don't show me the all, but when you hit enter you will pop up with 18,871 assets. Okay, just click OK and a process will start, and it start from page 1 to page 19, and after completing them you get all the assets. Okay, so here the process is not showing to because I already get all. Okay, if you got some error in page 2 or 3 or any page, then just uncheck it and again copy it and press F12 and here paste it and press enter. Then a process will start up, and it also access and got all the remaining assets in this. Okay, so this is simple process, and you will get all the asset of Megascan free, all 18,000 plus assets added in your purchase tab free, and you can access them in future without any issue. So hurry up and get all the products for free before they gone. So guys, this is my Patreon shop, Patreon store, and if you are filmmaker, VFX artist or video editor and you need some cool VFX assets, then you can download them from my shop. All these amazing stuffs are available on my shop. You can easily download, the link available in the description. They are not in green screen. Okay, I just show the thumbnail here. They are not in green screen. All these products are in with transparent background with alpha channel. Just drag and drop. All these stuffs are high quality and helpful in the VFX work. You can also check the preview of these stuff on my YouTube channel before purchasing. So see you in another video. Goodbye.